Hey, fuckers and fuckets. So I'm gonna do a video about making a DIY guitar wall hanger. This is the side of a futon. Now it's pretty long, and the reason why I'm showing you this is because that's what I'm gonna be making the DIY guitar wall hanger out of, and I'll show you guys here in just a moment. So this board here, obviously it's probably a sideboard, but what we needed on here was, see that? There's a thin board there, and I'll show you that right now. You can tell I pulled it off. And again, it's a nice size, so you'll see why we'll need that. Okay, I'll bring you over here. Don't mind my room, this is a mess in the making. But this is it. So we go over here, as you can see. So that white piece of board is what I use to cut and make the extensions for the hooks to hang. So as you can see, there's two there. So now this is one of the planks on the futon that I use. These I ordered from eBay. These is that white piece that I said that came long. Now I cut them at 5.5 inches. So you're gonna have to cut them 5.5 inches because that's what's gonna hold them away from the wall. Again, just a futon plank. I got, I think, 6 on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7. And I'm gonna put one more there. So I just wanted to show those I have there because that's the materials that we need. And yep, that's all the materials we need. And I'm almost done with this, as you can see. So I'll finish it up real quick and then show you guys once I hang it and have a couple guitars on it. Thanks. Alright, so I'm back with these DIY guitar wall hanger from a futon frame. Again, all I did was buy the hardware, which was those brackets there and the hooks. That is those white, again, the extensions are from the futon frame, which I cut at 5.5 inches, I believe. Because if you don't cut them about that, they will hit the wall right there. It's not hitting the wall. Let's see if we can get that in there. Sorry about that, I'm on crutches right now. But as you can see, yeah, there's a shadow there. So nothing is touching the wall there. We're clear. The guitars themselves are not touching each other. So you see a gap between them. They're nice and snug in there, but not touching. That one I should have got away from the wall a little bit, which I think I will move over because, yeah, it's touching the wall right there because I have it all the way butted up. Other than that, I think each of these hooks cost like 50 cents. So other than that, and the hardware I bought, which was like, I think like $3 for a set of 10 to make 10 holders, which is, I believe, 20, obviously. 20 brackets, and they come with the screws as well. So, I'm back up here. You guys be able to take a look at it. Again, I think I got 7 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. But I got the guitars in the guitar room over there. This is my other room I'm gonna be in just to got my accident. But yeah, looks good. Just find 2 studs up there. You can go ahead and put them in. And yeah, if you have any questions, just go ahead and ask me. Thank you.